Hey everyone, welcome back to another One Mondays. Today we are going to look at a really useful feature called Single Sign-On or SSO. If you have ever felt confused about how to manage users across different channels without having duplicate data everywhere, this is exactly what you need. With SSO, you can create one main user profile that keeps everything synced between your channels, whether it's a WhatsApp, web chat, Facebook, or any other channel. It saves your time and makes managing conversations across channels so much easier. All right, let's jump in. How to enable SSO? On the left side, we can see settings. We can see SSO settings. Here we have three options: disable by default, then basic, and advanced. If we click on the basic one, first we have to choose a provider. We can select Google or Facebook as a main profile of SSO. Second, when we are going to sign in as a SSO, then there will be a text with a button. So user needs to click on the button to sign in. Here you can edit that message. You can edit the button text. Once the user press the button and after successful sign in, then you have an option. You can stay inside the same subflow where user is going to sign in, or you can redirect the user to another subflow to continue the next flow, right? And on the page where you are going to connect your profile, then you can type a success message, something like thank you or whatever you want. Second, we have advanced option. Inside advanced, we have same two providers, Google and Facebook. And here the main benefit of this advanced is with the basic one, inside the subflow, we have only this message and button. But with advanced, you can create your own logic and then you can send them a button with this URL. You can access through SSO URL. And when the user press this button, then they will be added as a SSO profile inside the both users, right? And after the successful login, we have the same option to select another subflow or stay in the same subflow, right? Let's take a look here. We have here three subflows. First is SSO signup, second is SSO successful, and the third is SSO actions. Inside the SSO signup, we have start node, and here you can see an option SSO required or not. When you mark it on, then inside this subflow, whenever user reaches this subflow, then they will get a text message along with the button. If there is any node connected, then you don't need to choose this one, right? If you select this one, then user will not move to the flow that is connected with this node, right? Let's do a test. First, we need to go to basic mode, and here we keep the text same. Here we just select SSO successful and save it. Here, click on a preview. We will get a text message with a button to sign in through SSO profile. Okay, at the moment we are using Google, right? Click on it. After that, a new window pops up where you can select your Google profile, and then a message will comes up, sign in successfully, and the question node. That's a wish lecture 21 for this question. Right? Now here, if we go to the both users, let's refresh it. So we can see both profiles. But here, just to be sure, you can see the message is same and the body text is same. And you can edit both of them. Okay. Here for the both users, now we have two users. One is a profile, SSO profile, and the second is a web chat user, the original user, right? If we click on it and go to chat, so with this profile, we are not allowed to reply to the user. We can only see the conversation with different channels linked to the same SSO profile. Let's do a test with the WhatsApp. At the moment, we make this to sign up as a default reply. So now, on the other hand, we are going to sign up to WhatsApp and the message. We will receive the same. Click on it, and the profile will be selected. And here we can see signed in successfully. And after that, the age message comes in. If you remember previously, we select the age 21, and now we are writing 26. Okay, and now we are going back. And here we need to select users. We can see now two users. One is from WhatsApp, second is from web, and third is our SSO profile. If we click on it, so we can see both of the users are under the same SSO profile, right? If we go to the live chat, here we can see both of the chats with the users, okay? Now the main benefit comes in. First is you can see all the chats at a single place. Second benefit is when there is any of the user field you're using or tagged or something, when the value is going to be updated, then this value syncs across all the profiles that are linked with SSO. So here we can see the current age is 26. Here we have this tag. And now if we go to WhatsApp, here we can see 26. Even we go to the web chat, here we can also see 26, right? So this way, chats will be synced through the SSO profile. This is the most benefit of this SSO option. Next, we have SSO actions to manage some settings. Like if you want to find SSO user, you can search it through an email. Second, if you want to send a subflow to any of the channel that is linked with the SSO, you can select the channel name and then you can select the channel. Second, you can create an SSO user. Now, if you remember, previously we have two providers, Google and Facebook. But now we do also accept email as a SSO channel. So now if you are not going to use Google or Facebook, then if there is an email common between different users that are on different channels, then you can use email as a SSO channel. So this is the most benefit for this feature, right? So now we have three providers, Google, email, and the third one is Facebook. Here we can see get user SSO info. You can put up the bot user NS and you will use all of the actions we have, right? That's all for today for the SSO features. You can go give it a try, and if you have any questions, do in comments. See you in the next video. Bye.